As you can see here, we have Cookie's Restaurant, where my grandmother was known to make kale soup. I was about 5, 6, and on until my teens, and I watched her make it. Great memories for me. So I thought I'd show you for a moment how kale soup was made for me as a child. So this is what we got. First thing we got to do is we got to take the kale. And it's winter, so you got winter kale. It's a little rough. It's not the summer kale. And you cut it off, take the pieces here, you roll it up like Nana used to, and you cut it into pieces, and you wash it, and you prepare it for boiling. Here you got it boiling and softening, because it can be coarse. So it's softening for the kale soup. Here you have your smoked shoulder, which is cooking about 2 or 3 hours. Again, to soften, bring the bone flavor into the broth. Over here, you have to take a trip up to Amaral's, because Amaral's has the proper ingredients for cooking Portuguese food. For example, homemade chourico, very important to get a good chourico, and some linguica. I use the hot product because it brings flavor into the broth. Here are my potatoes. Then I'll take some beans. I'm going to emulsify the beans because that'll bring the broth a little thicker. And then I'll put in some, I remember Nana used to use pinto beans. So I'll put in some pinto beans afterward. I got my cabbage ready to go. We're not there yet, but we're getting close. Trust me, it'll be a good curviness. Enjoy.